Hello guys. Um, Hello guys. Welcome to Libby. Well, well. Oh, well. I just buy. Oh, hi Dowsit. I buy. I buy Titus. Well, I buy Titus. Oh, fuck. Look, it's Titus. So lag. It's hard to move. Dow6 is going to go now. Let's see how what is EF. Oh. Most of us die. 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 Hey, can I join? I need to do so. Okay, I'm here. Look, that's flashing light. Oh shit. That light is here. Crap, I need to get my crap. No, please. Hurry! Okay, I'm gonna put. Are we stuck? Again, we're stuck. We're sucking. Dang, it's destroyed. Let's get killed again. I died. I did survive. Why not die? I'm gonna buy Dow6. Where's Dow6? But later. I have TIV. What's the in the down? Hey, how's you doing, bro? Oh crap. I'm gonna deploy. Can you please? Oh, damn! You caught him by. Oh crap! But how long is? Oh crap! I'm pulling. I'm pulling. I'm pulling. Where am I? I die. R.I.P. Twister. Oh my god, it's so destroyed. Alright, this is the end. Goodbye. Hey!